lake. Very frozen. I've seen this before. Like, share, subscribe if you like what you see. Frozen. Look how frozen that lake is. No joke. This is good seagulls are very happy. Now they're saying, dude, you're the one who usually brings the crackers. Where are the crackers? Look, they're just wanting me to pull out the crackers. They recognize my coat. I don't know if they really recognize my coat, but there we go, everybody. That's the Bayfront Convention Center. You can always hit pause and read some of the U.S. Brig Niagara. Holy cow, it's cold out here. Yeah, I did one walk around video a minute ago, the whole entire place, but this Bluetooth that I have on this selfie stick, literally I pushed the button and I didn't realize it. But look, please like, share, and subscribe. That's all you need to know. As we're trying to create great video content, one video at a time. Yeah, look at that. Frozen lake right here in Pennsylvania. Yep. About 20 degrees out. I'll let you know. I'll let you know how cold it is as soon as I look at my temperature gauge in the truck. Until next time, that's all you need to know. Please like, share, and subscribe.